Hi, good morning. I am Amol Kulkarni. I am a healthcare specialist and a data scientist by profession. So, I tend to join this course with a mere interest of really understanding the space of the drones and how to fly the drones, but eventually got very interested. Just a couple of years back, before the pandemic hit and post-pandemic, there was a lot of challenge with respect to how we deliver the medicine, how we deliver the essentials and all. This actually came in a very handy way. The thought process started that way when I really thought that there is a good potential over here, and also on the agri side there is a lot of potential where we really want to spread across a few hectares of land with the sprays and pesticides, etc. So we just wanted to ensure that we have a fast mechanism to complete this activity precisely and in time. So that was a major motivation, when I was browsing through the internet to really look at what are the best academies, or how do I really certify myself as a pilot or a drone pilot, etc. So when I just thought that this one, so I found this particular Telangana Aviation Academy to my help, which is actually based in Hyderabad, where I am actually in, and then they had a very good course of 5 days, which they typically cover the starting of how you assemble a particular drone, how you fly the drone, how do you choose a particular drone, what categories of drone would be needed for what kind of work or activity that you want to perform, and as well, so looking at the current implementation of the drones, what I'm actually on a broader scale that I'm looking at is looking at the healthcare industry, where this can be actually implemented really to transport or provide the medication at the doorstep in a very small amount of time. Let's say if somebody orders a medicine, we just want to ensure that the medicines are delivered to the people in less than an hour's time, which typically takes a longer time really to step out and get in. So that would be a very big benefit that we can get out of these drones on the healthcare side. On the agri side, which I'm more interested in looking at this one, the implementation of this one to really look at how the landscape is being placed, what is the moisture, what is the humidity, etc. So with capturing all this particular information via a drone and analyzing that using an AI and ML techniques is actually going to boost the overall productivity of the output that I'm going to get. We also talk in depth about the rules and regulations, specifically really want to know the do's and don'ts when you're really flying the drone. So that gave a very hands-on and really understanding what is really out there for the drone and capabilities of the drone. And now now if you are seeing me, I'm actually at the field doing some hands-on really flying the drone. So they have various wide varieties of drones that they have here, and we have been given ample time and sufficient place and experience really to fly the drone on our own. So this is really a marvelous experience that I'm getting over here and enjoying the overall course, which today we would be ending this with a certificate. Thank you.